Hello friends, I have taken 9 boxes here. In center box I am going to shade pure green color. So I am taking now green color. You can add 1 or 2 drops with water. So you shade properly green color. So pure green you want to shade in middle of the boxes. Shade properly, don't shade outside the boxes. Okay, over. And then I want to add white colors for tint. Right side, this side fully I am going to make tint colors. So tint means you want to add white colors. So little bit white. So little bit white you add and mix. So you shade and see where is there any difference or not. If you have a little bit difference, you can shade the box. So complete that properly. Properly complete the box. Then you want to add a little bit more white. Compare with the previous step. To add more white color you want to take. So you mix again together. Now you can see if you have any difference, little bit difference, you can shade that. Otherwise you want to add more white. This box over. So next box you add more white, little bit want to add more white. So step by step you can add a little bit more whites up to last step. Over. Now you want to add a little bit block with a green color for shading effect. For shading effect you want to add block color with green color. So a little bit green color you want to add and shade. So before complete that shading you see the difference. If you have a little bit difference you can complete that box. Okay. So properly you want to shade. Okay. Over. Now you want to add more block block color you want to add, and the same places you can mix. Okay, you want mix properly, mix together block and green colors. Now you shade and see. If you have difference you can complete. So like that same up to last step, last box you want to add block color step by step. You want to increase block color step by step. Okay. Over friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. Yes, and now you want to add more block color. Okay. Now you shade properly. Slowly shade, friends. No need any urgent here. Over. You want to do slowly. Add more block with the green colors. So last box you want to shade properly with more block with the light green. So little bit greens. Okay, more block and now over. So shade over and tint over. See, after complete you want to divide with the pencil. So then only the boxes will appear properly. Scale and pencil you can use. So after complete, yes friends. So this process over. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.